Thermal drones have revolutionized how we approach search and rescue, structural inspections, and public safety by allowing operators to visualize heat signatures that are completely invisible to the human eye. In this episode, we will talk about the best thermal camera drones.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Autel Robotics EVO 2 Dual Drone. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Dual 640T V3 stands as a versatile workhorse in the professional drone market, perfectly balancing ultra-high-definition visual recording with precision thermal analysis. At its core, the aircraft features a dual camera system that houses a 640 by 512 resolution thermal sensor alongside an 8K visual camera, allowing pilots to capture minute thermal details and cinematic visual data simultaneously. The thermal sensor is remarkably sensitive, capable of detecting temperature fluctuations of less than 50 mK, which is critical for identifying subtle mechanical failures or tracking heat signatures in complex environments. This model is particularly valued for its picture-in-picture mode, which overlays thermal data onto the visual feed to provide a layered context that simplifies the identification of targets. With a robust 38-minute flight time and the upgraded Skylink 2.0 transmission system providing up to 15 kilometers of range, the EVO 2 Dual 640T V3 ensures that professionals can cover vast areas with a stable and secure connection, even in high-interference urban settings. On number 2, we have Autel Robotics EVO Lite 640T Drone. For missions that require a more agile and portable solution without sacrificing sensor quality, the Autel Robotics EVO Lite 640T Enterprise is the premier choice. Weighing in only 866 grams, this drone is significantly lighter than its enterprise-grade siblings, making it easy to deploy by a single operator in remote or challenging terrain. Despite its compact frame, it does not compromise on imaging, utilizing a 640 by 512 thermal sensor that offers a 16x digital zoom and 2 distinct temperature measurement ranges. This allows the operator to monitor fire hazards up to 550 degrees Celsius or conduct standard environmental surveys with equal precision. The EVO Lite 640T is particularly impressive for its 40-minute flight endurance, which is among the best in its weight class, providing ample time for thorough site inspections. Its 3-way binocular vision obstacle avoidance system ensures that the aircraft remains safe while navigating close to structures, providing a reliable and accessible entry point for organizations that need high-end thermal capabilities in a travel-friendly package. On number 3, we have Autel Robotics EVO Max 4N Drone. The Autel Robotics EVO Max 4N represents the absolute pinnacle of all-weather and all-lighting aerial reconnaissance. What sets this aircraft apart is its specialized Fusion Light payload, which integrates a high-resolution thermal camera with a Super Starlight night vision camera and a laser rangefinder. The night vision sensor is capable of operating in near-total darkness at 0 lux, providing a clear visual context that conventional thermal sensors might miss when the target and background temperatures are nearly identical. This makes the EVO Max 4N a favorite for law enforcement and covert surveillance operations where stealth and long-range detection are paramount. The Autel EVO Max 4N is equipped with advanced flight control modules and intelligent algorithms specifically engineered to counter RF interference, RFI, electromagnetic interference, EMI, and GPS spoofing. This robust anti-interference capability allows the drone to operate reliably near power lines, critical infrastructure, and other complex environments, making it an ideal solution for industrial inspections, emergency response, public safety, and mission-critical operations. The EVO Max 4N also introduces the industry's first mesh networking system, enabling autonomous drone-to-drone communication, coordination, and collaboration. If one drone fails or exits the mission unexpectedly, the remaining drones automatically self-organize to maintain the network and continue relaying critical data. This intelligent mesh architecture significantly enhances beyond visual line-of-sight operations and overall mission reliability. Additionally, the drone features a high-resolution radiometric thermal imaging camera, delivering smooth 30 fps video and up to 16x digital zoom, providing precise thermal data and enhanced situational awareness for demanding professional applications. So these are some of the best drones to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.